My Bosch Nexxt dryer all of the sudden won't turn on. The light is on, I turn it to the setting I want, and the time appears, but when I push the start button, it makes a brief sort of moan and then just sits there. The clock does run, though. It's about 5 years old. Thanks for any advice. Cynthia.
Hi. Welcome to Just Answer. While I look this up, please unplug the unit for a couple of minuets and then plug it back in. That may reset the system and allow it to operate. Please advise if it does not. Thank you. Did the reset work? If not, I will need the unit's model number, please.
Nothing happened after unplugging and replugging, except that now the displays stay on, even if the unit is unplugged.
Okay. I will need the unit's model number, please. There are onboard diagnostics that you can run to determine what is happening, but they are very model specific.
Where do I find this?
I am sorry, Cynthia. I had Bosch washer stuck in my head. I need to know if it is a Nexxt 100 series, 300 series, 500 series, or no series that you are aware of. It will be an economy series? The Home Smithy 40972.65729097222.
Okay, WTMC 3500 UC/01. Thanks.
Okay. To enter the diagnostics mode 1. Rotate cycle selector knob to off position. 2. Push and hold start/stop and delicates buttons at the same time, then turn dryer on by rotating cycle selector knob either direction, in your case rotate it to the right one click. Keep holding start/stop and delicates buttons until start/stop light flashes rapidly. Dryer is now in the test program. The unit should display any error codes in the digital readout window, e.g., /E:01, E:20, etc. Let me know if any codes are displayed.
Absolutely nothing happens. I push start and delicates at the same time, flashing start light, no light on delicates, and no readout of any sort in the display panel.
Okay, flashing start light is what you want to begin with. Delicate light isn't supposed to light. Once the start light flashes, press the start button. It should display any error codes stored in the system. If it doesn't do anything, then unplug the unit again and start over. You have to follow a strict sequence or it won't work right. The Home Smithy 40972.68287723338.
I obviously am not getting the sequence right. I have the dryer off. I push the start/delicates buttons, no lights. I turn the selector one click to the right, the start light flashes, and there is no display at all.
Okay, once the start light flashes, press the start button again.
Okay, the start/stop button becomes constant, and there is no display reading.
Okay, give me a minuet or two. Cynthia, I am sorry, but any further diagnostics is going to require at least some training with electrical circuits and basic dryer mechanical theory. What needs to be done is voltage tests at the main control board with the unit in certain cycles. Additionally, the motor will have to be tested to determine if it might be the problem. As it is right now, I'm thinking either a bad motor or main control. Not something simple like maybe a door switch. I do have a service training manual for this model. If you know someone that has good electrical amp handyman skills, I'm sure they can test it out for you. Let me know and I'll upload a copy for you.
Okay, thanks. I will call the Bosch repair people. Thanks for your help this morning.
You are welcome, Cynthia. Have a good day. The Home Smithy 40972.7490749653.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.